Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the start of this video, today we're going to be going through my brush collection. This is actually insane. How many brushes I have is just madness. Absolute madness. So we're going to go through my brush collection and declutter as much as I can. Of these two tubs at the back here are all brushes that are needing to be cleaned. And then in the white drawers are my current clean brushes and sponges. This is my eyeshadow brushes drawer, and then this is my face drawer with obviously my sponges and some powder puffs as well. And then everything that is dirty gets put into these black ones. So let's start with the face brushes in the white drawer, which just look like this. So in here I have more of my foundation-y type brushes, so brushes that I should be switching up often, but I'm so lazy when it comes to it. It's really bad. So let's just go through it. I've got this P. Louise one, Spectrum one, Doll Beauty. Oh my god, I absolutely love this one. This one's just like a BH Cosmetics brush. Peaches and Cream. This Revolution one, I'm going to give that to my mum or my sister. So basically, unless it's absolutely destroyed and it's beyond use, I will be giving these brushes to a new home because obviously I don't want them to go to waste and they're still perfectly fine to be using. So I will put some ones that I'm like, I'm not going to use that. I'll put that to one side for my mum and my sister. So these will be staying. We have this, this Benefit one is so old. It's actually insane. Because of that, I'm going to get rid of the Revolution version. When I'm saying getting rid of, just know that it's going to a new home. Doesn't mean it's going in the bin. And then we have some other ones. I quite like this Revolution one as well. This one's a very funky one. I think that'd be really good for baking. And then in here, my Peaches and Cream brushes I absolutely love. I'm going to keep all of these. That Revolution one can go. I'm going to keep P. Louise. This big Revolution one can go. I'm sure I have this in another colour as well, which if I do, I'll try and make sure that I put that to one side because at least my mum can have one and my sister can have one. What is this one? This one can go. My Zoeva one can stay. Oh, I used to love this big fluffy one too, so that can stay. Got a Doll Beauty one. That one can go. That one can go. And then this one from Revolution, which I'm going to keep. Actually, no, that one can go. I'll keep the Grease and Revolution one. We have the Attitude Cosmetics one that can go. P. Louise. What's this one? Oh, Beau Bell. I remember these ones. That can go to a new home as well. Then we have another P. Louise one. And then in this end one, we have highlighter brushes. I'm going to keep that one. This Emily in Paris one can go to a new home. I'm not really a fan brush gal, so that can go. Got this little Zoeva brush. I'm actually going to keep that. I've been wanting to buy one of these brushes and I literally own one. It's so bad. We have this one, which I'm going to keep. Got a Finding Nemo one. I do really like that. That can stay. This one can go because I don't even know what I'd use that one for. I think I've definitely done a tutorial before though. This one can definitely stay. I love the Peaches and Cream ones. That one looks like it's mucky though, doesn't it? Put it in my mucky drawer. This one can go. I have one of them Roxy ones that can go as well. P. Louise. That can stay, but I don't even know what I'd use it for. And then that one can go. And then for sponges, this is like when I need to feel the sponge. That one's nice. That one can go because that one's like well and truly being used. Like a Made by Mitchell one. Oh, it's a Beetlejuice one. Oh, like that one. I think that would Beauty Blenders, that ones. That one can go. I'll just put that one in the bin. The other two can go at my mum and my sister. That one can go. It's a bit rammy anyway, but I don't really like the shape of it. That one can stay. That one can be binned. Actually bin that one. I might keep that one for when I'm doing a liquid blush. I think that'd be quite cute. Oh, what's this one? That one feels horrible. Ooh, that marble one can go. What's this one? Revolution in the Grinch. That can go to a new home as well. And then we also have this weird powdery one that can go to somebody else because I know that I won't use that. And all of them powder puffs can stay. That is the first drawer, which is a lot of it's being kept. And then moving on to some of the drawers that need a good clean, which is amazing because I'd rather bin some stuff, if I'm not going to be keeping it, than clean it and then bin it. So we have, this is like really nice for bronzer. So I'm definitely going to keep that one. Got like a little Spectrum blusher brush. Another bronzer brush. I'm very fussy with my bronzer brushes. Oh my god, this is my favourite brush ever, and it's been in this drawer for like forever. Then we have a little Vive brush. This one can stay. A pretty little thing, really, really tiny one. I remember buying that. I'm being obsessed with it. This one can stay. This one can, oh god, dropping things. This one, this double-ended one can go to a new home because my sister will absolutely love that for carving out her brows, and I never really do that. Then we've got some more Jessup blending ones, Revolution. I'll give that one to my sister for her brows because I've got loads of brow ones, which you'll see in a minute. This Amanda Holden one can stay. Actually, that can go to a new home. That one can stay. Little Ted Baker one. That one can stay. Morphe. I think it should be. Oh, no, it's not Morphe. That one can stay. Oh, a little highlighter brush. Anastasia. And another Morphe. This big bronzer Really Love brush can go to a new home. By the way, obviously I will clean the ones that need cleaning before they go to my sister and my mum. Can stay. That one can go. Oh, I love that XX one. That one can stay. One of the little R in it can go. Got a Doll Beauty one, and then some peaches and cream ones, which I love. Got a little mini Charlotte Tilbury, which is so good for travel. I absolutely love these P. Louise little squishy things. I actually bought some pre-matched like versions of them. Got that can stay. That one can go to a new home. Mitchell can stay. That one can go to a new home. Got a Mitchell one. I'm actually going to give that to my mum because my mum has been loving the Made by Mitchell blusher. Like she bought it on TikTok shop, like a mystery little thing for her. And then she got my sister one as well. My mum's obsessed with hers. We have this stippling brush, which I'm definitely going to keep. I always love a stippling brush. That one can go to a new home. Then we have this little Jessup's one, a little Revolution brow one. And then I absolutely love this one as well, and it's like double-sided. Gorge. This one, this big powder brush can go to a new home because I know my mum will really like that. And we've got a blusher brush, they can have that as well. A bronzer brush, which they can also have. Another stippling brush. Got another bronzer. I'm actually going to give that one away as well. This is the one that I was on about, so they can have that because then they'll have one each. A little peaches and cream one. Got a Morphe highlighter brush. Real Love brush that can go. Oh, sugar, dropping things down. What are you? Are you the Technic one that I used to absolutely love? You can stay, but I think you're about to break. Can stay, that can stay. Don't know what you are, but you can stay. Can stay. They both can stay. This one's such like a hard, really compact one. I'm never really going to use that. That can go. Can stay. That Lily England one can go. Little Roxy one can stay. That can go. Stay. What else do we have? Another Morphe brush. The Morphe brush. Blusher brush that can go. And then a foundation brush that I always need. That can stay. That one can go. This one can stay. Little grease one. That one can go. This one can stay. Little W7 brush can stay. This one. Roxy brush. We have like a thing. One brush that can go, another eyeshadow brush that can go, that can stay, can stay, can stay. And obviously we have a little sponge, which feels alright still. That can stay. I'm going to get rid of the mermaid one. And I'm also going to get rid of the pineapple one. And then we have another one, another one. What are you? You can stay for now. That one can go. Grinch can go. That one can stay. And then I've got some of my little mini Real Techniques ones, which I love. So these are can stay. Please do let me know if you want me to do a video sitting answering some like Q&As or something whilst I'm cleaning some of my brushes, and we can have a little girly chat and I can ask you if you want any certain advice on things, if you've got any like things that you want to speak to somebody about, or if you have any questions about me. Moving on to the next pot, we've got a big Spectrum brush that can stay. That one can go. That one can go. Stay. And then I will probably keep quite a lot of eye brushes. That one can go because I always need them. You just never know. I don't know what that one I would use that one for. That one can go. Someone might find use of that one. Can go. That can stay. That can go. That can go. And we'll keep that one. Get rid of that one. I'm honestly just doing these in the most random order. There's like no method to my madness. That can stay. You can as well, Babby. And you. What are you? The eyeshadow brush. You can stay. And then again, another one of them brushes. And I was going to buy one. They can stay. Honestly, I absolutely love my peaches and cream brushes. Oh my god, why are they all rolling off? Today's not the day. Pixie, actually, that one can stay because I like that for putting on a lot of sparkly loose eyeshadow. Oh, this is a throwback. I can never get rid of that. to remind me in case I try and get rid of it in the future and forget. These can stay. This one's such a funky one, isn't it? I think I must have bought that on Machine. I just never really got around to using it. Typical me. I don't actually know why it's in here because it's not even mucky. I probably just put it in here to store it and forgot that it was in here. That sounds like me. Quite a few smaller brushes here. Quite a few peaches and cream that I know I'm just going to be keeping anyway. Blank canvas one. Oh, I used to love her. This one can go. Look at this huge one. I can stay because I've got rid of the other one. On my MAC brush. Oh, I remember buying that from like the cosmetics company, whatever it is, where you get it cheaper. That one can go. That one feels weird. I don't like the texture of that. That sets me off, so I don't want to keep that. Don't really know what I'd do with this one, but I'm going to keep it for now. This one can go. That can stay. That can... Oh, Morphe actually, that can stay. I was going to get rid of it then. She can go. Stay. Stay. What are you, Bab? Oh, my glowish one. You can stay. You aren't going anywhere, girl. Spectrum. Kit Stars. That Grinch one can... Actually, I was going to get rid of it, but it can stay. That one can go, though. What else do we have? She's a little cute one. She can stay. 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 They can all stay. There's loads in here, isn't there? Oh, that luxury one. I'm going to put that in a glossy box. Can stay. That Brat one. I mean, Brat one. Spectrum one. Oh, they're both Spectrum. They can both stay. I thought it was going to be a Brat one. I don't know why. That one, actually, I quite like that. Can stay. What are you? Oh, yeah, you can stay. And then I also have this one. So we have kept, again, quite a lot, but I didn't expect to get rid of too much of this because it's ones that I reach for, and that's why they're in this drawer, because they need cleaning. Do you know what I mean? And that is what we have left. And then moving on to the final drawer, which is my eyeshadows, brushes. We'll start with these ones to begin with, because these are all like little... Oh, that one's a Daniel Sandler one. Look at me, so bougie. That can stay. That can stay. These ones might be a bit hard for me to get rid of. I mean, am I ever going to need a nail thingy? Do you know what I mean? It's a Benefit one that can stay. Then we've got like a little tiny... That one can go, because I've kept quite a few of them. What are you? Morphe. I also got like a big thing of Morphe. Oh my god, I remember when I bought this weird little Morphe one. I think I got that in the Morphe shop. This Revolution one can go. And it was basically a brush to apply glitter, which I actually totally forgot that I even had. That one can go. That one can go, that W one. This one can go. Can stay. P. Louise. Oh, this was Emma's. Oh, Buff and Blend and Emma Fleming. Obviously never get rid of any of them brushes, because I love Emma Fleming so much. I'm going to get rid of this little weird fan one. That can stay. Going to get rid of that weird little dotty one. Mitchell can stay. What are you? Morphe. Oh, look, another Emma one. She can stay. Morphe. That'd be good as a little lip one. That can go. Goodbye. I just disregarded that. Goodbye. That one can go. That's gonna go. See, some of them are spinning. I'm like, oh, it's Morphe. I'm keeping that. Oh, that can go. That can stay. That's a weird one. That can stay. Morphe. This is a Benefit one. That can go. No, that is Morphe, but it's literally just a massive spoolie. It can go. And then a little bitty one. I don't think you can see. But they can all stay. And moving on to the little individual tubs. Oh, God. Well, she clearly wants to stay. She can stay. A lot of these I probably will end up... That one's weird. That one can go. Probably will end up keeping, because they just come in handy. There's another Emma one. Emma Fleming. What a Bab. That's a very weird brush, isn't it? That can go. That can go. That's so old, that Maybelline one. Remember you got that for free in your eyeliner? Little package thing. It's a weird one. Makeup Obsession. I was thinking there's no name on it, but there was. I just couldn't see it. That can go. Oh, Looney Tunes, but that can go. Stay. I kind of had these brushes organised like in... Oh, hello. Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. What a vibe. Oh, look. Another Emma Fleming brush. That one can stay. So a lot of these I probably will keep, because I can literally... Sometimes I'm just like looking for a brush and I'm like, bad baby girl. That's what I've been looking for. All of them can stay. Oh, what a throwback. You can stay as well. I know that I'm going to use them. That's the thing. That's why I'm not bothered about keeping them. And I don't want to have to buy more brushes down the line. Not that I'm ever going to need... I say whilst I'm surrounded by brushes. And then last... but certainly not least, the last tub. Got some even little smaller, like packing on type brushes. By the way, please let me know, because I'm actually filming this. This is like, I'm filming this now and it's 25 to 8 on Sunday, the night that you're going to watch this. So if this is up like 9ish, you know why, because I've left it last minute to film. That can go. Do love these little Spectrum ones. Please let me know, do you want me to vlog my week for next week? Because I actually have quite a few fun things planned in. So please do let me know. That can go as well. That can go. Can stay, can all stay. Let me know what you think, whether you want me to do like a little vlog series next week. I don't know. See what you think. But that is everything that is being kept. And then this is all the brushes that I'll be giving to my mum and my sister. And then maybe my mum might take some to work actually for my cousin as well. Because there's actually quite a lot for 2 people to do. Hopefully see you on Wednesday for our first ever Stash or Trash. Love you so much. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.